guys. All right, we're gonna take out a couple trees, and here's Josh to give you the super awesome evaluation of it.
This red maple here, we're gonna be removing. Gentleman's gonna be putting in a garage. So he's got a little detached barn now. He's gonna put it in a garage that's attached to his house. So we're gonna be taking this guy out because it's gonna be right in the middle of his driveway.
Watch yourself, Josh. Comes back. Malachi, can you hear me? Sweet. Anyone else hear a bunch of cracking and popping? It's annoying. I hear like a...
Now it's preparing.
So you two pair, you disconnect, I'll pair.
To me?
I'm gonna
You're
click.
comparing.
Now I'm gonna disconnect.
Okay.
Now hold that center button down until it says intercom pairing. And it'll say
With you.
is your volume up?
Oh, there you go.
Just push it just like I normally do. Hold it.
I think so. Or do you have to hold down the intercom pairing button?
What do I
Sure.
push? Wait, what do I push?
Yeah.
The middle, big middle button.
Yeah.
You just tap it.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
Hello?
Wait, how did you hold down the...
Take a second. Just
Okay, I got it. Okay. And you hold it. Connect. Right?
No, you connect.
Da.
So click it once. Make it beat.
So now we are connected.
There we go. Alright, so on this one we're not doing a full cleanup, but Josh can't help himself. So he's got to do a little bit.
The first time I did this, Jordan backed me up to it and he did perfect the first time. You gonna be able to do that?
Yeah, so no pressure, you know. You're not telling him to do anything. Yeah, there you go.
See, when he listens to me, it works out.
We're gonna trim a few of the limbs off of the backside of this, and the ones right in front of the gazebo.
First, yeah, and then...
First couple dead lower ones so they don't sat in the ground too bad.
Yep.
And then we're gonna take down the elm, get rid of that. We're gonna drop the black walnut towards the road. And then she wants to save for firewood, kind of the butt logs of each of those limbs.
Whoa, watch your language.
I know. So
This is
the
a family show.
It's a family show.
the stump of the limbs.
There we go.
Okay. preparing headset.
Bro, yours is loud.
It says preparing headset.
It's phone pairing. Yeah. Yeah.
We love these radios, but we're trying to figure them out, and so far we've
Okay.
spent
Now push this center
a good
button
half an
forward
hour
guys, and hold it down until
trying to
it
get
says
them to work.
Intercom pairing.
Yeah, ready?
We'll get them. Just takes a second. Hey, can you hear me?
Hello. There we go. All right, guys, welcome to the Discord chat.
All right. Josh, you're a little too tight on your right side. Yep. You need to go over like a foot. Yep, that'll probably do it. Start now. Yep. It's gonna drop a little bit, but you're good, I think. Yep. Yep, you're still good. Keep coming. Yep. You are good on both sides. Keep coming. Yep. Actually, it needs to come right a little bit.
Yeah.
My right. Your right as well. But backwards. Yes.
Beautiful.
Keep coming straight now.
Yep, straight back.
You can put your tires straight, I think.